We're trying a good job not getting run over. Ayun. Ayan. Hello. Hello. Ayan may mga ano. They got the bracelet one. Alright guys, okay, we'll check out the Lucky Charms. Dito daw yung swerte eh. Ayan.
Pero
pang ano, kontra malas, pasok pera, for health, may pangkalahatan.
They got Lucky Charms bracelet. Is worth to be right here at the AEY General Merchandise. We're gonna get some Lucky Charm for the wifey. Hindi gumagana.
kontra malas.
It's not working.
Ito.
Ito.
Pig ba ngayon?
Hindi po. Graduate. Siyempre may Lucky Charm na.
Ito.
Pangkalahatan na po yan. For health.
Pangkalawakan, no?
Pangkalawakan, ano po yung sabihin?
Kalahatan.
Pangkalahatan.
Universal, ganun.
Lahat
Kala ko
ng
pangkalawakan eh. Ano, pangbaka, pangdagat po, di ba po?
Maganda ba ito sa dagat?
Saan
Ay, di
pong
mo
pang
naintindihan.
pandagat yan?
Meron kayo sa pandagat.
For safety, pasok pera.
Ito po.
Bigyan na po siya.
Kasya ho ba sa akin to? Baka masira
Hindi po
ako.
kasya, pwede po siyang dagdag.
Ayan.
Sakto.
Ayun, sakto.
Hindi mo sikip.
Parang... Sige nyo ate, masikip ba yan ganyan?
Pag inubad siya pag gulungan.
Pag
Para hindi
gulungan.
magaling sa pwede po siya dagdagan.
Pwede pong madagdagan.
Hindi, pag dinagdagan mo siya, mag-iiba na yung ano, power niya.
Hindi po ganun. I-bless pa po siya sa mismo santo.
Be-bless pa
Saan
po.
yung santo niya?
Yung sa altar.
Oh, wow. Sige, kuha po ako niyan.
Ano pa yung ano, yung tinutusok?
Insenso po?
Hindi,
O yung
tinutusok.
tusukan insenso.
Manika na tinutusok.
Ay, pang mangkukulam na po yun.
Wala ba na?
I don't know if you guys heard that. He's asking if there's any manika na tinutusok, which is the doll. The voodoo doll. Ayun. Ayan, kuha po ka niyan. Ayan, sige, kuha po ako na yan. Sa tingin nyo ba masikip sa akin o kailan dagdagan po?
Skip.
Dagdagan natin isa. Sige.
Opo, pero po dagdag kung pwede. Opo, baka magana yung kamay ko pag ano. Tapos kukuha ko. Gusto ko kasi si Rochelle makuha yung red pa. Ito masyadong red to eh. Gusto ko yung ganyang yung mga gantong kulay na ito. Masyadong red. Gusto kasi may nasira siya pero parang ganito yung pagka-red na ganyan. Pero ano po to? Ano naman po to?
Pangkalatan din po yan.
Pang ano po? Panglahatan. Kukuha rin siguro ako ng ganito, red na lang.
Gusto mo pang kalahatan.
Pang babae.
Marami na akong
Pang laba.
Pangkalatan din yan.
Pampabayin.
Hindi pa sa asawa ko naman po.
Anong ano
Pag
niya?
sinuot ko
Birth
ba ito,
month
bibili
niya?
siyang laba ko. Ganun.
Anong birth month?
Birth niya October, Libra.
October. Madam, ano
Kasya to sa inyo
October?
ate kasi parang parehas yung wrist ng asawa ko. Malaki, maluwag no?
Ito, pangkalatan.
Ayan, subok. Maluwag rin po.
Ito, incense.
Pero pong bawasan. O hindi pwedeng bawasan no?
May kulam ito na.
Di ba meron para sa birth month?
Alright, we're gonna get some for the wife. Trying to get you one, the one with for everything, which is they have good health, good money, good fortune, happiness. So they have everything on one. So that's what we're gonna get. So Ata's gonna get me one. And I think the way it goes is if you once you purchase it, they're gonna bless it. They're gonna bless it with the Santo. I think that's how they're gonna supercharge it or something. Ayan, Ata's getting me the same size, mas maliit na size po, no? And Ata's adding more for me because it's too tight for me, and she's adding more beads po, no? Ate, anong pangalan niyo, ate? Ano pong pangalan niyo?
Rose.
Rose, Ate Rose. So Ate Rose hooking me up with she's customizing my bead so it's not too tight, so it doesn't restrict my blood flow. Kasi baka magana yung kamay ko mamaya. And that's what I'm getting is the all around para sa lahat na ano po, no? Ayan, let's try it. Ayun, sakto. Ayan, yan ang ano, sakto po, sakto. Yan, thank you po.
Pare, bawasan mo po. Kailangan po bawasan.
Pwede pong mabawasan po ng ano.
Bawasan.
Opo.
Pag binawasan ba yun, hindi mababawasan ng power?
So my cousin's asking if you customize it and make it smaller, you have to take out some beads. Does it lessen the power or the energy? Which is I don't think so. So look at that, the professional. Ate Rose is a professional. She's been doing everything. Just para rin pong garter to.
Apo, nylon po
Oh,
siya.
nylon. Pag hindi po na ano.
Mas maganda po wag siya basain na basay para po hindi madaling mo.
Oh, okay.
Ano color ito? Ano color?
So at is readjusting everything.
Ay, may aromatherapy kayo.
Ayan. Okay na po sa inyo. Diba?
Ito.
Alright. We're using ate as the moro. They have the same size.
Alas na po natin.
Ayun. Magkano naman po yung red?
Bigay ko na lang po 350.
Okay, okay. Ayan, our ate is hooking me up. Okay. So Ate Rose was telling me that my wife's been packaged. I can't touch it. No one else could touch it. Only her. So in that way, the what do you call it? Power po, no? The energy will remain with my wife first. So no one else could actually wear this once it's been blessed. So I have mine ready to go. No one could wear it. Already feel. Just kidding. So it's already have all the energy on me. So you can't pass it around. People could touch these, but the one that actually the original owner has to touch it first and wear it first before they could touch it. So yeah, good to know. I didn't realize that there's some special routine that you're supposed to follow. So thank you, ate. Thank you so much. Bayad na. Bayaran ko na po. Got my my bracelet ready to go. Been blessed. Ate, say ito. Okay. Salamat. Thank you. Thank you. Salamat. Salamat po. Thank you. All right. Thank you po. Thank you. Salamat po sa tulong. Bye guys. All right. So look at this, guys. All natural crystal rocks. Let's move here.
Wait, ito na kayo. Pwede pa nag-business. Uy!
Pwede pong video. Hindi, para po sa asawa ko eh.
Alam po, naka-pouch naman po.
Okay. Ayan,
Gano'n na yan.
So,
Wag lang po hawakan na pag na-cleanse na.
ayan. So it was cleansed. It's been cleansed, and then now I can't touch it, but it's been in a pouch. So now it's gonna be for my wife now. So no one else could touch it except her.
Ito dahil mo ganun.
Oh, bait? Pang ano, no? Pang
Gamitin mo
bait
si
caster. Alright. My Kuya Franz is pointing me. I could use this as a lure. But that's an expensive lure for the fish. No, I can't use that one. Wow, look at this.
Pwede ba may maraming incense dito?
Wow.
Maraming na incense.
Salamat po. Thank you. Thank you po. All right. So she blessed our stuff with some energy bowl. I think that's the energy. Ano po tawag dito po?
Crystal gold po.
Crystal. Oh, this is a crystal bowl. It's a crystal bowl. That's how they bless and energize the whatever you buy here, which is pretty cool. Wow, this is pretty cool. All right, let's move on.